Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting parts and preparing the board. Pick a low-power microcontroller and a GPS module that supports concurrent fix types. Once you have the modem, battery, and antenna, solder basic power rails first so you can test voltages. Make sure to wire TX/RX to the microcontroller UART and add a decoupling capacitor on VCC. This prevents voltage dips when the modem transmits. From here, secure the antenna lead and fasten the battery with a JST to enable quick removal. Next, you flash firmware that handles serial communication, NME parsing, and network registration. Use libraries to shorten development. Configure the GPS fix rate to balance update frequency versus power use. 1 fix per second is common for tracking. Then set the modem APN and test SMS or UDP connection to your server to verify data flow. Make sure to implement deep sleep between fixes and a watchdog to recover from freezes. This dramatically extends battery life and improves reliability. Finish by testing the tracker outdoors. Start a fresh power cycle, confirm GPS time to first fix, and verify the modem attaches to the cellular network and sends coordinates. Once done, mount the electronics in a non-metal enclosure and position the antenna upward for optimal reception. Make sure to secure strain relief for the battery and connectors. If something goes wrong, like intermittent transmission, check supply voltage under load with a multimeter first. Low voltage is the most common culprit, and adding decoupling or a larger battery usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.